A man rose from the defendant's bench, lean, weathered, with tired eyes and a stiff posture that only those who've worn a uniform know. He gently adjusted his daughter's coat before she was led to the back of the room, her small hand clinging to his for one more second. Everyone thought this was just another custody battle. Another father who hadn't paid child support. Another sob story. They didn't know. They didn't know about the man behind the charges. 6 months earlier, Daniel Carter was working night shifts at a warehouse in upstate New York, a far cry from the deserts of Afghanistan where he'd once led a platoon. After 15 years in the army, including 3 tours, he came back with a purple heart, a limp that wouldn't go away, and nightmares that wouldn't let him sleep. But worst of all, he came back to a different world. His wife had passed away from cancer just months before his return. His daughter, Lily, barely recognized him. And civilian life? A maze of paperwork, job rejections, and silence. But he tried. God, he tried. Daniel worked 2 jobs, skipped meals so Lily could eat, and once walked 14 miles to a VA appointment because his truck broke down. He never complained. Never asked for help. Until one night, after working 16 hours straight, he left Lily asleep in the back seat of his truck while running into the pharmacy for her asthma medication. She woke up scared, got out, and a passerby called the police. It spiraled from there, accusations of neglect, a court date, and now, this moment. Back in the courtroom, Judge Melanie Harrow scanned the case file with an unreadable expression. She'd seen 1,000 cases like this before. But something made her pause. She looked up. Daniel Carter? Yes, ma'am, he said, standing straighter than any civilian ever would. Her eyes narrowed. Are you the same Sergeant Carter from 2nd Battalion, 87th Infantry? His face flickered with recognition. Yes, ma'am. We lost 6 men in Helmand. I was the squad leader. Silence. Complete silence. The room seemed to freeze. Judge Harrow swallowed hard. Her voice dropped. My brother, Captain Jonah Harrow, served with you. He always spoke about a Carter who saved his life after an ambush in 2011. Daniel blinked. Captain Harrow? He was a good man. We lost him in Sanjin, ma'am. The judge leaned back, eyes misty now. The courtroom no longer saw a defendant, they saw a hero in civilian clothes. She cleared her throat. Let the record show the charges are being reconsidered. A murmur rippled through the room. I've read the reports, and more importantly, I've done my own research, she continued. What this man has endured, and still provides for his child, is not neglect. It's courage.